you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and we're back here late at night in my spooky kitchen. And I want to show you how to make one of my favorite soup dishes. You requested it. Pumpkin. But not with this pumpkin, it's plastic. It's a wonderful dish for October, for November, Christmas. And you're going to love it, but especially at this time. Come on, let me show you how simple it is and how easy it is to make. Come on. In a large cauldron or pot, we're going to put some olive oil. Okay. Half a stick of butter. Let me turn my fire down just a little bit. Now we're going to stir this butter and oil around without the wrapper. We're going to stir this butter and oil around till we brown the butter. I used about a good tablespoon of oil, okay? And like I said, half a stick of butter, okay? Now, I have got on this plate 8 pieces of bacon at least, 3 cloves of garlic chopped, 2 large onions chopped. We're going to put this in here so everything is done. Don't you love the sound of a good sizzle? Okay. Now don't forget, send me your spooky pictures of your kitchen. I want to see. Now I can turn my fire up a little bit, just to a low medium. Now I'm going to sweat this until everything is almost done. Oh, I want to add one more thing. I have some liquid smoke. Hickory. I'm going to put in 1, 2, 3, 4 shakes, okay? Oh, already this is smelling like heaven. Now I'm going to cook this down with a little magic. Okay, now that our onions, garlic, and bacon are thoroughly cooked, we're going to add in a 1/3 cup brown sugar. Yes, you can use white sugar, but the brown sugar seems to add that something. I don't know what, but it adds it, okay? This is the base of our soup. See what it does? Also, it's going to give it a nice caramel complexion. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Always smell your product. Now, at this point, I've got 2 cans of pumpkin. I'm going to put them in. To our bacon, onion, garlic, and brown sugar mixture. Oh yeah, oh yes. I'm going to put in a can of chicken broth and a cup of water. I'm going to stir this around. If I need to add more liquid, I will. And you can too. Remember, a recipe, you can make it your own. If you feel it needs something, add it. Don't feel like you can't. Remember what I've always told you? Experiment in the kitchen. That's right. Now we're going to add, because I want that flavor intense, 2 packs of no sodium chicken stock or chicken bouillon. We're going to stir that in, a teaspoon of pumpkin spice, and put that in. Then we're going to take probably 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, put that in. I'm heavy-handed because I like the spice. Onion powder, 2 teaspoons of that. Red pepper, if you choose to. You don't have to. I just want to give mine a little bit of kick. I just put a teaspoon. That's all. Okay, maybe I'll put a little more. Now I'm going to adjust this spice as I see fit. I see that this is a little thick, so I'm going to add another cup of water. All right. We'll pour the water in. Now you see this consistency? That's how you want it for now. You want to cook it for at least 10 minutes, but stir it on low, okay? Let it simmer. Don't bring it to quite a boil, okay? And you're going to cover it, but you're going to check it every 3 minutes or so. Make sure your soup is not sticking. And taste it. Mmm. Yes. See what it needs. You know what I want? A little more smoke. Then we're going to add some cream to this, but not just yet. We want to make sure our pumpkin cooks down. Okay. I will see you back when I've simmered this for 10 minutes. Yeah. Oh, turn this down, starting to boil. You stir it around and bring that boil down. Stir it around and bring the boil down. Okay, stop that. Now, it is time for the secret ingredient. Cream. Okay, let's pour at least a good cup of cream in here. Oh yeah, that's the color you want. Oh yeah. And I'm adding some more red pepper. Woo! This is my own. This is mine. You don't do that. Oh, and I think, do I want to add some more? Do I want to add some more pumpkin spice? No, I want to add some more smoke. Now, let's stir this around. Ooh. Ooh. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, yeah. Now, I didn't add any salt, so you're gonna have to salt to taste. Okay. I'm not gonna add any. I'll have it on the table if people want more salt. But right now, this is it. This is it. Cook it for another 10 minutes on the low. Okay. We'll be right back. Ooh, nieces and nephews, look at that. It is done. See how it looks different now? Yeah, it's totally cooked. The pumpkin's totally cooked and has married with the other flavors. Now, let us scoop up a bowl. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. I'm going to let this cool down a bit. And then we are going to taste test. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Ooh. I can feel like that for you. I don't want to lose the spoon of the soup. Okay. The bowl is hot, so I'm going to place it on the island. But yes. I love this. It was easy. Like I said, adjust your recipe to your taste. Wait, ring light ain't on. Hold on. That's better. Like I said, adjust the recipe to your taste. It doesn't have to be exactly like I do it. Feel around with it, see what you like, and bring it to life. Love this. So good on a cozy, cool night when it's breezy and you're watching a horror movie. I love it. Now, please like, comment, and subscribe. Write to me at Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef, at gmail.com. And I can't wait to see your spooky kitchen, okay? I'm gonna fix me a sandwich, probably a burger, and finish my soup. Oh yeah, and watch Chucky or something. Hey, not sponsored. All right. I'm so crazy. Big love from Uncle Chris. Bye-bye.